Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter 1 of financial accounting. Title of the chapter is Meaning and Scope of Accounting. In this presentation, we will discuss meaning and characteristics of accounting. Meaning of accounting. Usually we call accounting as language of business. Why? Because it communicates the results of business to the users of accounting information. And why they use this accounting information? Because they want to make informed decisions. So accounting is language of business for the various users who want to take decisions on the basis of business information. Now, for accounting, most important thing is the financial statement. The end result of accounting is financial statements on the basis of which shareholders, potential investors, trade creditors, lenders, customers, income tax authorities, various parties take important and appropriate decisions. Let us discuss the definitions of accounting. According to AICPA, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transactions, and events which are, in part at least, of a financial character and interpreting results thereof. Students, this is very important definition as it covers whole of the features of accounting. It states that it is art of recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting the results. This statement says that all the business transactions which can be recorded in terms of money are recorded and then classified, then summarized, and finally the results from these summaries are interpreted by the various parties. One thing important, that all the transactions should be of financial character. Next definition is by American Accounting Association. It says the process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by the users of information. It says that economic information is identified, measured, and communicated to the various users so that they can take informed judgments. Students, from these two definitions, we can say that accounting helps various users to take various important decisions so that they can decide whether to lend or not to lend, whether to finance or not to finance, whether to continue the business or not, whether to expand it or not. So many important decisions are taken by the help of accounting information. Let us discuss the characteristics of accounting one by one. First point is accounting is an art as well as science. Accounting is art of recording, classifying, summarizing business transactions. We have objective behind this recording, classifying, that we want to ascertain net profit and financial position of the business enterprise. We say accounting as an art because it is personalized judgment of the accountant to decide many things in the accounting, like whether to treat a particular thing as a material transaction to be depicted as a material head or it should be under the miscellaneous head. Similarly, many important decisions are taken by the accountant, and it is his art by which he shows important information to the users. It is science because we have specified principles, rules according to which transactions are being recorded. So, accounting can be treated as art as well as science. Second point is recording of transactions of financial character. Accounting involves identifying of transactions and events which are of financial character. No other transaction which is not of financial character can be recorded in the books. For example, if we have some important employee in the organization and his worth is very much for the organization, but he cannot be recorded in monetary terms, then he cannot be shown as asset in the balance sheet. Similarly, there is some strike that is very important event for the organization that may cause financial disturbance to the organization, but that cannot be recorded in the books because that is not financial in character. So we record only those transactions which are financial in character, which can be expressed in terms of money. Third point, recording in terms of money. Every transaction which is recorded in the books can be recorded only in the terms of money. This is to say, suppose I have 200 chairs, 10 tables. I can not record them just like 200 tables. I have bought 200 tables. I have to mention their money value. Any transaction which we are recorded in the books, that should be entered in the books with money value. If we express these in terms of money, they will provide useful information. For example, if I tell you that I have land of 5 acres, you and other is having land of 10 acres, you will make judgment that 10 acres is more and he is more financially sound than me. But if I tell you the value, then you will find that land is more important, which land is more important, which is having more value. Suppose 5 crore is worth rupees 5 crore and 10 acres is just 1 crore, then you will be able to judge the worth of the party. Then is classifying. All the transactions after being recorded are classified. Classification means grouping, and this grouping is done by way of ledger. Suppose we make supplier account, customer account, various accounts like wages account, salary account. Then fifth step is summarizing. Summarizing means art of presenting the classified data in the manner which is understandable. Financial accounts are prepared with the help of trial balance, which include trading account and P&L account and balance sheet. Trading account is prepared for calculating gross profit, and profit and loss is prepared to ascertain net profit or net loss, and balance sheet is prepared to present the financial position of the business. Interpreting the results. Interpreting the results means that whatever is shown by the trading account, P&L account, balance sheet, various parties interpret these full information about the profitability of the business, about the financial position. The accountant need not to explain why it happened, what is likely to happen. Parties themselves interpret the result. Last step is communicating. It refers to the transmission of summarized and interpreted information to variety of users who have an interest in the enterprise to enable the reasoned decisions. Students, thank you.